Today is a good day because I'm getting some new wheels fitted on the Golf.
No more crap wheels, bro.
No.
Although, what wheels we got going on though? What's the question?
So, our good friends at Two Forged have sent us a set of Zf1 wheels, which I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of.
Ta-da!
So they're a bit like touring car sort of style, aren't they? I've actually come to kind of like those wheels alloys that are on there a little bit.
No.
I hated them at first.
No, I'm not a fan of these.
They're getting changed, so we're going to quickly head around the corner to our local tyre shop, who are good friends of ours as well, and get them swapped over. Join us 2 days later. Car's now up on the ramp. Wheels are on, they look brilliant. We're gonna now be adding a few styling bits. So we've got our front splitter going on the front. We're getting rid of the silver mirror caps, gonna be adding some carbon caps. And we've got a rear spoiler going on the back as well. So first and foremost, the splitter. This is gonna be like a version 1. So this is kind of a nice subtle version of the splitter. We're gonna be adding another 2-piece version as well later on, but this is version 1. Pre-preg carbon caps, sorry for how dirty the desk is, we've done some painting at the weekend. And then the rear spoiler as well for the back, so this is really nice, all carbon. So, yeah.
Let's get it on. What are we going to start with, Jack?
Split it first.
So that was the easiest front splitter install in the world. It literally just clips over and bolts in.
So one thing to note, the boot lid on this, the spoiler is plastic, so if you are using a toffee wheel, you don't want to stay in the same place because you'll burn straight through the lacquer. Normally you'd also stick this with bonding, but because we're most likely going to be changing the spoiler at some point, it doesn't make sense to bond this on.
The spoiler went on absolutely perfectly. The fitment is ridiculously good. You can even see the line across here. It's bagging. And that's literally just held on with 3M tape. Yeah, Jack's smiling. I don't know why he's smiling.
Because the car's done, mate, and honestly, I am over the moon. It looks amazing. Yeah, I need to try. I'm actually going to put my personalised plate on it now.
We'll start from the front.
Yeah, let's go from the front. It's a subtle change, but it looks 10 out of 10. That plate has got to go. That's the thing that's letting it down.
So the splitter is fitted.
Yep.
And what else we fitted?
Mirror caps.
Mirror caps.
Because they were silver before.
And also, the Oettinger style spoiler has been fitted as well.
And that obviously ties in nice with the diffuser now. A few things that just stand out. I want to get this done like in a gloss black or...
That needs to be black.
Something like that. I think like matte black in here and then gloss black around there.
Yeah, 100%.
Will look nice.
But the fitment on the spoiler is bang bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Do you know what?
Right, what's happening now though?
Well, next time we see this car, it's going to be lower, and that's going to be in a minute. But for now, let's go back and have a look at what's going on in the workshop, because...
This car here is the best car.
Yeah, this says 10 out of 10 as well.
That's the best car here. Look at the carbon popping.
Look at these, oh yeah, look at this.
So we've got front splitter going on, we've got side skirts, 2-piece side skirts, so a little bit different to the normal.
I've never heard of 2-piece side skirts.
Well, we kind of thought ahead with things like when we're shipping internationally and stuff like that, we are having problems with shipping rates, so we thought maybe just get 2-piece ones so we can just stuff it all in the same box. And
should be easier to fit as well.
Easier to fit, yeah. Basics and inserts, fitted those already. So yeah, it's really good.
Let's just fit it right now then.
Let's just get it done.
Let's just get it done.
Let's get it done.
Right, you need to go away now.
Yeah, go and do some work.
Obviously.
Right, Kai don't really talk that much, but Kai's decided to start speaking.
Well, no, I've just been chucked to mics. I ain't really got a choice.
Well, what do you want to fit first? Go on, you're the fitter.
I'll say we do the mirror caps first.
All right, we're going to slap these mirror caps on now. These are wet carbon, aren't they?
Wet carbon,
Wet carbon. Right, let's whack them on. How do we put them on, Kai?
Oh, we'll remove the old ones and put the new ones on, innit?
Alright.
Then you just pry it all the way forward.
So this shit crazy.
So we're going to get the front splitter on now. We've jacked the car up. So you just want to give the surface a little rub down. Clean it up. So the splitter is now on.
Several days later.
Right, we've now arrived at Motec. Been at our unit, we've been at the tyre shop, now we're at Motec. And Sam is here, number one.
To get springs fitted, we're going to get, I think, 20 on the front, 25 on the back. Stock, these do look a bit high, to be honest. My only worry is at the moment is the front lip, so hopefully it don't come down too bad.
To be fair, the ride height on this isn't as bad as the Mark 8, but it does need correcting. Right, that's it. Car is sorted. It looks fucking wicked. I'm over the moon with how it looks, how it's sitting. What do you guys think? Let us know. So we're running the Eibach Springs on this. They're available in the store, 15mm front, 15mm rear. I actually think I might have been able to go a little bit lower, but that being said, they have just been installed, so they'll settle down once we get on the road. But yeah, it actually really suits the car. I think the grey and the black looks good. I weren't really sold on the whole Golf R project at the start, but I am a true believer now. It looks wicked, so thank you.
Jack's is all done now, it's looking good. I just need to catch up.
So yeah, Sam, where are we at with yours?
Yeah, obviously springs done, 20mm front, 25 rear. It's definitely helped the whole car.
We just got to get rid of those like
terrible
sauce
wheels.
pot wheels.
Yeah, they're not great. But we've got the splitter on now as well.
Splitter's looking good.
And mirror covers, and then didn't get time to do the side skirts, but we'll get them done. And a diffuser to go on, and then yeah, as Jack said, the wheels.
That finishes this video. Obviously, if you guys have any comments or suggestions, let us know below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. And a massive thank you to Motec as well for having us down here today and getting all this stuff sorted.